Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. So let's take a look in euro currency. Yesterday's activity was really low. It's because of the Independence Day celebrating in the United States. So it's just minor update currently to our analysis and scenario that we discussed in the weekly report. So on the daily chart, we do not see something really special. Some kind of the graveyard minor pattern has been formed here, but actually it brings no significant information to overall performance. We can't see any bullish attempts to keep going higher or something of that sort. So most market stands in the same sentiment and in general in the same position that we as we discussed in the weekend. On the intraday chart, there are a few moments that probably we need to take into consideration. So first is on the follow time frame chart. We have a kind of the consolidation in the shape of the triangle or pennant or something of that sort, as you could see. So in general, this is long-term trend line, as we could last it in longer to the upside here. And with this pattern, personally, I do not think that we should get the bounce up to the border once again, just because of the current performance of the euro currency here, and in general, the strength of the downward action and some difficulties and choppiness of these pullbacks that market is showing. And recently also you could see that the rally that has happened here was erased really fast on Friday. Now market, well, it's just a fading ball jumping out from the floor. So it's just big, then smaller, and curious might be again smaller. So I suggest that at least feel that chances on immediate downward continuation here looks more probable than the probability the market will reach the upper border once again, and then we'll start downward action. So just because of the weakness of the market currently, weakness of the fundamental background for euro, and based on the performance, still it not be just I think that we should still take into consideration the possible upward action, at least for initial stop placement. So here you could see what has happened on Monday. Actually, market has reached the level that we have specified, 104.60, 104.70, is first confluence, and we said this is our primary area, it's first area that we intend to keep an eye on for a possible take in the short position. Currently, you could see that actually market hits it and bounce starts. So yesterday you have taken the position, that's great. You just move stops to the break even and see what will happen next. For some case, I just brought this A, B, C, D potentially that's maybe market could reach. But with this performance that we see, as I said, it seems that it is more probable that we should get direct downward action. But still here to the upside we have the COP. And we have the OP, it's around 105.20, which is actually, this OP is very close to the border. So if market will be relatively slow, the upward action will be precisely around 105.25. So if this pullback will happen, that's why, if you intend to take the short position, well, maybe it makes sense to place the initially stop somewhere above this area. Once you be sure that market is dropping, you could move it to the break even, or at least move it closer to the just above the confluence. This is not an obligation, this is not necessary, so you could place stop just above the confluence initially. But this is just if you have the conservative look at the performance, or you see other signs why market could actually show this extension to the upside. This is just additional insurance that you could use initially, and then just adjust the stop when you be sure that market is going down. That's the only few moments that I would like to discuss right now. So let's take look how it will play and what the performance euro currency will show today. Is just first session after the long holidays in the United States.